Craving a takeaway but want to keep it healthy? This beefsteak chow mein is the ultimate fakeaway. High in protein, quick to make and perfect for meal prep. Tender beef, crispy veggies and glossy noodles all done in 20 minutes. First thing we're going to do is make a marinade for the beef. We're using soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine if you can get it. I'm actually using dry sherry because I can't get any of it. And we're just going to mix all of that through and just set it aside for about 15 minutes while we make the sauce. Sauce is water, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. Really simple, and we're going to just again mix that through, set it aside so that when we are doing the stir fry we've got it at hand and we're not trying to faff around making it when we've got the wok on and everything in it. When it comes to cooking, get your wok on the highest temperature. It can go with some oil and fry that beef until we get some nice colour on it. Should take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how hot you can get it, but we want it cooked all the way through and got some yummy charred bits on the outside. Just set that aside, and then in the same wok we'll turn the heat down a little bit and we're going to cook our pepper and our onion until they start to soften, and then add in our equal measures of garlic and ginger and give that a further 30 seconds. Add the beef and any juices that have come off from it back into the pan along with some spring onions, 100 grams of bean sprouts, and we're going to give that about a minute or so. We don't want to go too long, and then we're going to add in cooked noodles. You can get the pre-cooked ones from a packet or you can cook them beforehand, it's up to you. Add in that sauce and mix it through so everything is nicely combined and glossy and just looking delicious.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
All you need to do now is plate it up and get stuck in. As always, if you want the full recipe, you can find it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!